Good evening, fellow pyros. Tonight I got a fireworks demo of three-stage Spaceship by Winda Fireworks. They may be small, but there's always a place in my stash for helicopter fireworks. Each pack has 4 different helicopters with 4 different effects. The performance on these helicopters are pretty unique for this type of firework. It features horsetail effects with crackle reports, horsetail with red-green pearls, white strobe with blue pearls. Imagine that, a helicopter with horsetail effects. I have never seen that before. Let's see how these go.